PT finishes paint job on the top and the back of this cab. It looks really good compared to what it was, especially he even did a little bit of body work to where the heat was so bad that it actually warped some of it. But he got that all cleared up, so now we're back into the interior. We've reached the point where we've kind of gotten all the metal and all the paint on the interior to a patina finish that is like as good as it can be done without repainting the entire interior. And we've actually started to reassemble. We got our fuel tank back in, it's freshly painted, the fuel sender's guaranteed sealed, so we're not gonna have any more explosions. Got stuff like a dash pad, steering wheel, just all the little things that got burnt beyond repair. We use some things like our door panels are still the same, but we have new handles. So we're trying to reuse everything that we can to kind of keep the patina theme going, but some of it was just burnt to a crisp beyond what could be used. So we got some new parts in, and we're gonna keep throwing in our new parts. We got seat belts, and we're gonna look at getting the seat back in and radio and dash and all those things going forward from here.
After that wonderful introduction by Mr. Bro, we are now set and ready to rock on putting the glass back in this truck, utilizing the old school rope end technique.
Oh, what you got?
Yep.
We really need to go up, up, up. Just like that. Coming. All right, that's that. Start with my corner over here. There you go. There you go.
That bottom just looked like it went in right there.
I'm signing off.
That bench seat got super toasted in that fire, but the frame was still in very good condition, so we cleaned it up, got it all ready, got some new foam cut over with the boys at the Bucket Stitch, got it wrapped up with new vinyl that looks beautiful, by the way, has some great detail that I'm sure Uncle Mitch will love.
Nice. There goes the box.
Watch your feet, don't hit it.
Come on back here and you just let me know if this is acceptable. But it was a serious, like a time-sensitive situation.
Very, very. He's elderly, and it happened. It was unfortunate, and we really were sad about it. You know.
Yeah, this is his enjoyment, right?
It is.
So, here it is.
Man, dude, look at that. That is awesome. I can't believe that.
This thing was just.
Oh my God. Look at that.
What? You look at it. I've been looking at it.
Look at that, man. Like it never happened.
Better than it never happened, son. You got everything new. The seat, I love the seat. It's that metallic dark green with it's got like the Scottsdale package seat in it now. Uncle Mitch got an upgrade.
He got an upgrade, man.
You put the fire out.
I put a fire out, and I saw what it looked like. It's amazing.
I mean, the windows were blown out of it.
This time span, yeah. I mean, it blew the windows out front and back, and everything in there, it melted the steering wheel, the whole deal. So, right.
You know, the hardest thing, I think, just getting the smoke off of everything. Dude, it was black, just soot black, everything.
It was unfortunate and horrible, and it's better than it was, man. That's like this rubber here before. It wasn't.
It's all that's new. We got new, put new door seals in it. There's something else we discovered on this.
Oh, yeah?
This thing had a factory, kind of like after factory rust inhibitor job done.
Really?
They drilled holes all in this cab. Look at this. They drilled them all the way around inside. See all these holes?
Yeah.
Because I was like, I saw them melt, and I'm like, I've never seen that many bump stops. Yeah. They weren't bump stops. They drilled all that, and they sprayed rust inhibitor all around in the whole truck. Yeah, I mean, it's all back here, all around the headliner. So we ended up having to get like 50 some odd of them. But it was just interesting. You learn stuff.
It
right?
is, yeah. I mean, really.
But,
I didn't know they did stuff like that, you know?
Yeah, hold that thought. I want to show you that this is a good little difference here of what we got. Look at here, son.
Look at that.
I mean,
yeah.
Just for the people who don't know, I mean, can you imagine?
Yeah.
Just Look, it just melted.
I'll tell you, what's amazing,
That's a pretty big difference.
when I got to this truck, Tommy, there was a flame coming out right here.
Where it blew the wind out.
Yeah, where it blew the window out 3 foot high.
I can only imagine when you opened that door too, when that oxygen got to it.
Yeah, which I knew it would do, but just had to try and help, you know.
Well, you did it. If it wasn't for you,
Yeah, well,
son, there wouldn't be nothing left. I can promise you
well,
that.
for you, he wouldn't get to drive his truck again, so thankful for that, you know.
We'll let the boys just double check everything, and
Cool.
you'll be good to go.
Man, what a
I
job.
appreciate you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tim.
Thank you.
Let's get on up front and aggravate Vera for a little bit. I've said it before. My business, my job is as much or more about the people than it is the vehicles. And to see Uncle Mitch see his truck back, maybe even better than he remembered it, honestly, it just doesn't get any better than that.